Hospitals are really struggling more than ever. They are dealing with Medicaid cuts that just happened. They're dealing with cost pressures. Their margins are razor thin. If you asked a CFO if they're making more than 3% margin, most of them would say, no way, which is hard to run a business. And so one of the big things that we are doing is we're changing the culture of our business, which is hard. So we're automating coding, we're automating CDI. And that's a challenge as well, because coders and CDI specialists, their roles are going to change in the near future. They're struggling to find coders in the US, so there's a lot of costs for those outsourced coders. And so our mission with autonomous coding is to enable the AI machine to do the coding and do the majority of the coding, and then let coders deal with the exceptions. And we're adapting our systems as we speak to make sure that they can be as efficient as possible. The models get better the more information you feed it. We're processing right now close to 500 million patient records a month in our system. And when we process those, we're dissecting each word in the record to determine if it's valuable and the relevance of that language and those terms in terms of being able to use them for like coding, for example, or CDI. We understand the coding compliance rules and the CDI compliance rules as good as any company in the world. We are able to build a layer of compliance on top of the AI model. So before we even start coding it, we determine if the documentation is right and has the right information for us to be correct.